Hello guys! Today I will show the difference between Webull and TradingView and which one to choose in 2026. Over the past few weeks, I've been switching between Webull and TradingView to get a feel for how each performs in real-world trading situations. Both platforms are frequently mentioned, but they're built for very different purposes. If you're deciding between them, here's a clear breakdown of what each one offers. Let's start with the main distinction. Webull is a brokerage platform, which means you can directly buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. TradingView, by contrast, focuses on charting and technical analysis. You can't execute trades on TradingView unless you connect it to a supported broker, and Webull isn't one of them. When it comes to interface and tools, Webull has a clean, mobile-friendly design. Its charts are solid, offering commonly used indicators and drawing features. It's especially convenient for executing trades quickly, monitoring your portfolio, and managing options positions. TradingView, however, stands out for its charting capabilities. It offers highly customizable indicators, advanced drawing tools, and strategy backtesting, and even a social feature where users share trade ideas. You also get access to multiple time frames, real-time data, and Pine script for building custom strategies. Looking at pricing, Webull is completely free to use. You simply need to open a brokerage account. TradingView does offer a free tier, but many advanced features, such as multiple charts per layout, additional indicators, and faster data, require a paid subscription. The Essential plan starts at $13.19 per month when billed annually, or $16.95 if paid monthly. So, who should use each platform? If you're looking for a free and straightforward way to place actual trades, Webull is a strong choice. On the other hand, if your focus is chart analysis, strategy testing, or in-depth technical work, TradingView clearly has the edge. Many traders actually combine the two, analyzing charts on TradingView and executing trades through Webull. That hybrid approach can give you the best of both worlds. That wraps it up. I hope this breakdown was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.